Hello, I'm Graeme Bradshaw, uh, founder of IMI, a naturopath and homeopath with 30 years experience. This session I wanted to talk about food allergy and how it affects children. First thing to say is that food intolerances and food allergies are much more prevalent than they used to be, so our children are much more often affected by these than in the past. We've seen something like a 5 times increase in food intolerances in the last 50 years, so this generation is more affected than any previously. Symptoms they may have that are causing parents to bring them to a naturopath: ADHD or attention deficit problems, hyperactivity. Pretty much always is food intolerance is either the cause or the main cause. Other kinds of symptoms that are often causing children to come in ill too often is the symptoms of congestion in the nose or the lungs, frequent colds, colds that last too long. Often in that same child there'll be congestion in the ears leading to ear infections very often. That one's most often associated with a dairy allergy. What I'm saying is that whether it's a mood disorder or a physical symptom like those ones to do with colds, eczema or any of the rashes, sore throats too frequently, it's often food intolerance is the primary problem that has to be addressed. Very often too we have to correct the digestion and build up the good bacteria in the gut. But with children it can be a relatively simple fix of mainly finding out what the food intolerance is, perhaps correcting the nutrition levels and what we call dysbiosis, correcting the good and bad bacteria in the digestive system. And with doing those 3 simple things, most cases respond really well with children. Thank you.